Hello, welcome to my channel Study to Success. In this video, I am going to show you how to solve algebraic equation. So let's get started. So let us take one question. 2x plus 3 equal to 11. So when we say solve, that means we have to find the value of the variable. So here we have x as the variable. So we have to find the value of x in such a way that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is nothing but left-hand side, okay? So left-hand side has to be equal to the right-hand side. Now, what we have over here is LHS, and this will be RHS. So how to solve? It's not just you take some value for x and then say that it is equating to 11. First, what we have to do over here is we have to write 2x and then plus 3. So plus 3. In solving algebraic equation, you should know that first step is you should see to that all the left-hand sides are with variables. And right-hand side this is left-hand side. Right-hand side, you can have constants. So what are constants? Constants are the numbers without any variable. Variables are x, y, z, a, b, the alphabets, what we use, which will change its value. So here we have 2x. So 2x we will retain on the left-hand side, and we should see to that 3 is not present here. For that, what we do is we will subtract 3 on both the sides. So when we subtract 3 on both the sides, we get, so plus 3 and minus 3 becomes 0. So that means this is gone. So equal to, on the right-hand side, we have 11 minus 3, which is going to be 8. Now, what we have to do over here, because it is 2x equal to 8, 2 times x. So that means we have to divide 2 on both the sides. So when we divide 2 on both the sides, we get x equal to 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is going to give you 4. So this will be the answer to this question. Now, if you want to check whether the answer is right, so we can see, substitute 4 over here. That is 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So you see, right-hand side is 11. So therefore, the answer is correct. So I will give you some important tips over here. Always when we have addition, when it goes on the other side, it will become subtraction. So it could be, either way. So across the equal to's, when you take, that is when we have addition becomes subtraction, subtraction will become addition. The same thing applies over here. If I have subtraction, when I'm taking it on the other side, it will become addition. and multiplication to division. Division to multiplication. So let me explain this with the example what I did just now. So here what we have is plus 3. So plus, when it goes on the other side, because we are adding 3, so we have to subtract. And that is what we did. So 11 take away 3 is 8. So we got 2x equal to 8. When we say 2x, that means it's 2 times x. So times, so we have times over here. So times 2 times x. 2 times x is 2x. You can see that 2 times x. So times, when it goes on the other side, it's going to be division. So that's what we have done here. 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Right. So now what we will do is, we will move to another question. Let's take this. 4x plus 5 equal to 9. Now 4x plus 5. Again, when it is plus, what are we supposed to do? We can go back to our slide. When it is add, it becomes subtraction, isn't it, on the other side? So therefore, we have plus 5. When it goes on the other side, you have minus 5. So which is 9 minus 5. So we have 4x equal to 9 minus 5, which is 4. And we'll see what we have to do over here. So when it is multiplication, when it goes on the other side, it becomes division. So we have multiplication over here. So it becomes division. So we have x equal to 4 over 4. 4 over 4 is equal to 1. This is how you have to solve the algebraic equations. So let's see whether our answer is correct. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, and hence the answer is right. Let's see a few more questions. How about we having minus 2x plus 8 equal to 2. So here we have negative 2x plus 8 equal to 2. Now first what we have to do is move all the constants to one side. So it's plus 8. When it goes on the other side, it becomes minus 8. So negative 2x remains as it is, equal to 2 minus 8. So 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Now what we want is x, but what we have right now is minus 2x. Because it's minus 2 times x, we have to divide minus 2 on both the sides. So when we divide minus 2 on both the sides, we get x equal to negative 6 over negative 2. Negative and negative will become positive. So 6 divided by 2 will be 3. So 3 will be the answer. So again, we can do the checking. So look at left-hand side of the expression. So we have minus 2x plus 8. So it's minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 over here, plus 8. Minus 6 plus 8 will give you plus 2. And on the right-hand side, we have plus 2. So therefore, this answer is correct. Let's take another example. Minus 3x minus 5 equal to 4. The procedure is the same. What we have to do is, we have minus 5 over here. First, we should see to that this minus 5 is moved on to the right-hand side. So what we will have left-hand side is just 3x equal to 4. Because it is positive, negative, when it goes on the other side, it will become positive, right? Subtraction will become addition. That's what I'm trying to say. So 4 plus 5 is 9. And here we have negative 3x. Since we have to find the value of x, so that means we have to remove minus 3. So we can't just remove it. So we know that it is multiplied. 3 times x minus 3 times x equal to 9. So it is times. So times, when it goes on the other side, it will become division. So that means you have to divide 3 onto the right-hand side. So we get 9 divided by minus 3. So 9 divided by minus 3, because there is only one minus, the answer will be negative. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this will be the answer to this question. So let's see whether our answer is correct. So let us take, I will show you checking here. Checking. So first we will write left-hand side of the equation, which is minus 3x minus 5. So we have to write minus 3 in place of x, because we have got x as minus 3 here. So we write 3 times minus 3 minus 5. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4, which is same as our RHS, right? So we can write this as LHS is equal to RHS. So that is why this answer is correct. Let me solve another equation. So what should we do here? We are adding 5 to 2x. So that means we will have to subtract 5 to minus 3. So it will be minus 3 minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5 gives you minus 8. And now it is 2 times x equal to minus 8. So times, when it goes on the other side, it becomes division. So that means we have to divide 2 for 8. So that means minus 8 divided by 2, which is going to give you minus 4. This will be the answer to this question. Again, we can do checking. So let's see. 2 times minus 4 will give you minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5 gives you minus 3. And you can see that right-hand side is also minus 3. So hence, this is the correct answer. All right. So in the next video, I'm going to continue with solving questions in the similar way, but then they are much more harder ones. So don't miss that video. Hope you learned something in this video on how to solve algebraic equation. These are linear equations. So if you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Study to Success, and press the bell icon. As and when I upload new videos, you will get notified. Thank you for watching.